Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that might be a little bit decisive in the Tesla community, but it's covering up the wood trim that goes right here on the dash of your Tesla Model Ys and Model 3s. You can see I've already covered it up once. I was never a big fan of the wood trim. I thought it kind of looked out of place, a little kind of tacky in my opinion. Some people love it, totally fine. This video is not for you. You want to leave that wood trim alone? You do you. I'm not a big fan of it. So what I got was one of these kind of stickers from Amazon. One of the first purchases we got to cover up that wood trim was one of these kind of Alcantara stickers. Very kind of inexpensive and cheap. And we put it on and it's done the job okay. It's never matched the factory Alcantara that's on the doors and down here on the wireless charger very well. And I haven't been a big fan of it. So I've worked with a company called Tesla C. I reached out to them. They sent me over a really nice imported Alcantara cover that we're going to work on installing today. Let's get into it. So as I said, this Alcantara cover comes from Tesla C. Really high quality. It looks awesome from the pictures. It matches, according to their website, matches the interior Alcantara fabric perfectly. It also comes in various colors. You can get a dark red, dark green. I just went with a standard black, so it kind of matched and kind of kept that semi-futuristic looking, really modern interior is what we're looking for. So jumping in real quick here, one other thing I wanted to show you guys is all the colors that this trim cover comes in with. So if you go to Tesla C's website and you go to the Model Y section, and down here on the Alcantara interior parts, it is right here, the dashboard trim cover. If you click on it, I wanted to show you guys all the awesome colors that it comes with. So I think there's 6 colors here. We're going to click through these big photos and we'll show you what they look like. So a carbon black, which is the one I ordered, a bright red, which I think would look super cool. Blue, maybe if you have a blue car and you want to go through that, let's do this. So there's the carbon black, how it's set up there. The bright red, royal blue, the orange, if that's your vibe, that looks pretty cool. The dark green, I think, would set off the interior of one of these Teslas really nice. And finally, kind of a burgundy, that wine color. So again, I just wanted to pop in real quick and show you guys this. Let's get back to the video. So this is how it comes packaged from them. Really kind of nice package. It comes in 2 pieces. So there's like a left side and a right side. And you'll have a little seam down the middle right behind your screen. I don't mind that. I think that'll look fine. One of the benefits of the little sticker piece that we used was it was just one solid piece. But I think having this will actually look real nice. So here's kind of the first piece. And that's just a lovely feel and a really nice kind of color. I really kind of like that. So let's get this other piece out of the packaging here. Comes nice and protected, and I really like how they look, the left and the right side. It also comes on the back. This is how you install it, with some nice kind of pre-installed 3M adhesive, which is going to do a really nice job keeping it secure to your wood dash. Let's kind of take a kind of a close-up look here. Really nice fabric material. I love that black on black color. I think it looks real good. I think there's just some dust on there. That's one thing, the dash does collect some dust, so it's nice to clean these off. But I'm curious about the fit and finish of these when we get them installed. So I'm going to go work on taking that sticker off, which I'm probably going to do off camera because I think it might be a nightmare. But I'll come back after we do that and we'll get these installed. So as you can see, word to the wise, don't buy the cheap stickers that you find on Amazon that cover your dash. It did a terrible job. There's tons of film residue left on the dash. It really is never going to look right unless we have a cover on it again. So really excited to get these installed to cover up some of this just nasty residue that's left over here. I think these will work just fine still. It's just going to stick to what's left there. It's no big deal. I do have a dash screen installed, so I moved that out of the way. I just kind of have it hanging out up here. It's still attached there, but no big deal. So when we go to install these covers, we're just going to peel off all this sticky tape, and it's just going to install right over here. Definitely start with your driver's side first, because if you can see, there's kind of a lip on here, that's just the lower lip, and the other side, the passenger side, is going to come over and cover right over there. So let's go ahead and start peeling off some of these 3M sticky adhesives so we can get this installed. All right, so that's all of the sticky tabs gone. Let's see what it takes to actually install this. So I want to get it lined up really nice before I kind of start pushing it down. So line up my edge, push down on it so it's nice and kind of covered all the way along the front. Push in really well, and then kind of slap it back into the bridge area. Nice pressure all the way along. And there you go. I think that looks really sharp. That is a nice looking cover right there. We'll get you some close-up shots of how it all looks after I get the other side installed. Let's head over there and try to do that. So as you can see on this side, that sticker, is even worse. You can nearly see it clear here. Pulled up and it just disintegrated as I was trying to remove it. So again, stay away from those stickers. Definitely don't recommend those anymore. So I'm just doing a test fit here with this other piece to see how it kind of is going to secure in here, and then we'll peel the backing off of this side. Oh, that looks really good. Covers up the seams really well. Look at how it fits in the middle. And those tie together really well. There might be a 1 millimeter gap there. We'll definitely get some footage of that so you guys can see what it feels like. But just the quality of this material compared to what was on that sticker that I had, it's night and day. If I have an opportunity at the end of this video, I'll include some of my old footage of me installing that sticker, and you can see how it doesn't look quite right, even on camera. And we'll show that too. But let's peel these 3 off. Now, just like we did on the last side, let's line this up real carefully with this front edge here. One of the most important aspects is trying not to show any of the wood where you're looking, down in the front all the time. We'll kind of get that cinched down and tucked in. Kind of rock it back so it kind of locks into that back edge. Push it down nice and tight. So nice even pressure all along so it sticks really well. All the way back to the other side. And just, that's couldn't be easier of an install. And the difference it makes is night and day. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the wood. You might be, totally for you. But I think this kind of cover really sets off the interior of the car. Let's get you guys some close-ups, and we'll show you kind of what it looks like with the dash screen back installed, and I'll get you all around the edges here so you can see what it looks like. Just starting kind of on the edge, you can see it really covers really nice and well. All on the front here. And I'll go show you kind of what that gap looks like. There's just a little bit of a gap, a 1 millimeter gap in the middle. No big deal. It's behind your screen. No one's ever going to know it's there but you. But just the feel of this compared to the feel of like what's on your door, it's night and day difference. That sticker over there was just kind of garbage. So I really appreciate a product like this where someone takes a lot of care and thought in putting it together. Get some shots of this side too with the dash screen installed. And there was no big deal. That just snapped right back into place. And it's sturdy and secure. A really nice quality. I want to get some shots of all of the kind of material together so you can see that the color matching over here really matches the color up on the dash of that carbon black. It was the color that I got. Well, that about wraps up another video. I'm really happy with this product, I must say. Compared to, again, I'm going to trash talk that sticker all day long. The residue it left, the quality of it wasn't there. This product's got it all. High quality Alcantara fabric, matches the interior perfectly. It's more black. That sticker, I ordered black, but it was definitely a gray. And you could tell when you got in the car that it wasn't the same shade, it wasn't the same interior. This is super nice. It's the nice felt feeling. I don't know if you can see the little lines that I create when I go over it on camera there, but it's like one of those kind of like high-end pillows. It feels really nice. We really like it. I think this is going to be great in our Tesla. It fits really well with the vibe I'm going for with the dash screen, the ambient lighting, some of the other accessories I've added over time. Really happy overall with how it looks. Big thank you to TeslaC for sending this over to me. I appreciate working with you guys immensely. If you're interested in this product, it is a premium product. So it's going to cost about double of what that sticker costs me on Amazon or on AliExpress or anything like that. But I think the quality is worth it. If you really want to get some of those high-end accessories for your Tesla, this is the way to go. Some way to help that is use my discount code, Gamble1080, down here on the screen. It's down in the comments. Make sure you use it whenever you're buying a product from TeslaC. It really helps out the channel, get you guys save some money too. If you're interested at all about this product or have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to chat with you guys. As always, thanks for coming by. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good day.